It's like a sauna in here. Yay! Ow! When this thing here is left exposed to sunlight, it's like you're touching the surface of the sun. I see. Should we go and get some ice cream? Ice cream? Ice cream? So there's a new ice cream parlor in town. We're gonna go and check it out. Little Lolly's ice cream parlor. Overall, a relatively enjoyable experience. Thanks, Little Lolly Ice Cream Parlor. Macy and I are just going on a late night walk to the supermarket to go and get some more supplies. I seem to have run out of stuff. Oh well. Mostly. Go to the vlog. Yes, it's much for you, but I hope that you pick me. Come on, Macy, let's go off-roading. Whoa. Yep. Totally nailed it. Which one? This one? Okay, we can't have it just yet. Thus concludes the shopping trip. Let's get that hat on. It's a bit cold out.
Day 2.
Currently on my way to my mum's. Like I said earlier, my car is in the shop getting a warrant. So I need to skate around to mum's house, use her car, and then get my butt to the gym. Okay, so I've got mum's car. Let's go to the gym! Sorry, I didn't mean to shout. Let's go to the gym. 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 Let's just go. And that is that for another amazing leg workout. I know by Thursday my legs are going to be shattered, but guys, it was just all worth it. I'm off to go and get something to eat now because I'm super hungry, and like always I forgot my drink bottle, and Mum doesn't even have a drink bottle in her car, so I'm quite parched and I need something to drink. So I'm going to get some dinner and something to drink. Ah. Yes. Yes, 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 yes.
Those motherfuckers he runs with the kids that he signed. Ridiculous. We're not even trying. How do they do it? It's 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the names.